Flan is one of Latin America's most beloved desserts, and this version takes that same creamy custard you grew up with and gives it a rich coffee caramel that makes it completely irresistible. The best part? It's easier to make than you think. I'm Dr. Ahmed, a physician who developed food allergies in adulthood, and I like to create recipes that everyone can enjoy. If you've ever been put off by flan that's too eggy or rubbery, this recipe is going to change your mind. We're going to start by making that rich, deep coffee caramel. To this cold pan, I'm going to add 1/8 cup of sugar. And I'm just going to shake the pan a little bit to distribute it evenly. In this cup, I have 2 tablespoons of boiling water. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. If you want, you can use decaf. We're just going to stir that to dissolve it. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of this concentrated coffee to the sugar. Next, I'm going to turn the heat up to medium, and we want to let this dissolve. Once the sugar and coffee have completely dissolved, I'm not going to stir it anymore and just let the caramel form. The coffee and sugar are now fully dissolved. I've put my ramekins into the oven at 325 degrees. I use this trick to make it a little easier when I pour the caramel into them. This way they don't set up too fast and it just goes smoother. The caramel is forming nicely, so I'm just gonna gently swirl this in the pan. And that's pretty much ready. I'm gonna give it a little stir and then pour it into the ramekins. We just want a thin, even layer at the bottom of each ramekin. The nice part about these ramekins being hot is if something's a little uneven, you have a chance to smooth things out because it hasn't fully hardened. Now that the caramel is at the bottom of the ramekin, I'm going to set them aside to cool. Now we're going to prepare the filling. Being dairy-based, these ingredients are rich in calcium, which is critical for our body. It's essential not just for muscle contraction in the skeleton, but also the heart and digestive tract. In pregnancy, calcium crosses the placenta and helps the fetal skeleton develop. So it does a body good, especially since 99% is stored in our bones and teeth. We're starting with 3.5 ounces of condensed milk, or 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons. Next, we're adding 2 ounces cream cheese, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 whole egg. We're going to cream these ingredients together till they're smooth and well combined. Next, we're adding 3 ounces of heavy cream, and we want to mix this till it's just combined because we don't want to whip the cream. That's perfect. My ramekins have cooled completely, so I'm going to add the filling to them. And there we go. You'll notice I didn't fill them up to the top. If you have smaller ramekins and they fit, that's completely fine. I'm going to set these into this glass tray, and we want to bake these for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the centers are just a little jiggly. I have some water that's hot but not boiling, and we're going to create a water bath in the oven. These flan have been cooking for 20 minutes, and you can see the center is just jiggling, so that's perfect because they're going to continue to cook a little bit as they cool down. I'm going to let these cool down completely and then cover them and put them in the fridge for at least 4 hours or ideally overnight. Our flan has been setting up in the fridge, and I'm just going to take it out of the ramekin by running a sharp knife around the edges to release it. I'm going to put a plate over the top and turn it over, and you should hear it come out. Look at that beautiful flan. I cannot wait to take a taste. Wow, that is incredible. It's creamy, it's decadent, and there's that beautiful coffee caramel on top. I know you're gonna love this recipe. Thank you for joining me. There's room for everyone at the table, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Testing, 1, 2. Can you hear me? Flan is one of Latin America's most the best part? I forgot my line. Bum 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 bum. All right, I got this.